Hi, my name is Clara. In today's free online AI technology video, I will show you how to copy YouTube ad video URL link for free. In this example, I'm watching a YouTube video about ChatGPT. I got a video ad playing, which is about the new Star Wars The Bad Batch Disney Plus episode, or series for Disney Online. I'm curious about the video and want to watch the video. Without going directly to the advertisement's website, how? Step 1. Pause the ad video on YouTube and right-click on the screen. Step 2. Click the third option, or Stats for Nerds. Step 3. You will be given a prompt, or a screen on the top left window on the video player in YouTube. The first option, titled Video ID, will give you a list of characters, or a set of words to the right. Highlight all of the selected portion of the text to the right. Okay, we are almost there. Open up a new window, or tab on your internet device or browsing window of choice. In this case, I'm using Google Chrome. Type in this text YouTube.com watch V or find the pinned comment down below this video to copy and paste the cheat code. Once you have typed or pasted in this command in a new window, copy and paste the code to the right of the video ID. Okay, now you should have the full link to the YouTube video or the ad displayed. Click Enter. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more free online AI technology video tutorials, drop this video a like, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel with all post notifications. I love you.